So, just heading down here to my freaking creek just to see what's going on. See if it's overrun at least a little bit. Oh shit, there's already trees down. Oh fuck, I gotta figure out how to get over here. See? Oh shit, y'all guys are gonna like to see this shit. Oh fuck. Look at that. Oh shit. That's washing right under the bridge. Look at that, Mom. Holy. My bridge is gonna collapse. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna run up here and I'm gonna take a look. Let me just pause. Okay. So, holy shit. Look at that. That right there, all that right there used to be sand. Oh shit. It's raining again. There's a big rock like right there. Oh my god, it's covered. Holy dog shit, it's covered. Look at that. But when we get done, that spot right there is right there. It's gonna be full. Thanks for watching, you guys. This is actually pretty scary because we haven't had a flood like this since, let's see, 2005. In 2005, it flooded this whole bank area right here. And look how high off the ground that is. Oh shit, okay. Let me pop. And there's another part of the creek actually right there. You guys are gonna like the next one. I promise you. Go, fuck. Look at all them birds. Damn dumbass frog. Holy dog shit. Holy freaking A. Holy shit. That's gonna be fun to ride through. Let me zoom that back. Paul, my bank area to where I gotta get up to look at it is flooding. Oh shit, it is. Oh fuck. It's gonna be a bad day, y'all. Hell of a bad death day. Look at that. There's gonna be freaking fish in here. Hey, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.